Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Josiah, back again with another video as usual, giving y'all the good content. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe, hit that like button, Make sure y'all also hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified every time I post a video, man. We finna get right into the video.
The spiritual levels, no dancing with devils, no fellow with rebels. Some digging with shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praise the Most High 7 days of the week. Some put in that work and go teach in the streets. Some just come to take up the air that we breathe. Some come just to take up the space that we need. The spiritual levels, they come in all shapes and the sizes.
So what we about to do today, you saw me pulling the Dodge Journey, you already know. Subscriber had requested me to show him how to install these right here. I know they all tangled up, just moved and stuff, so I had it tangled up in the living room. But these little tweeters right here, how to install these in the car. Cause I got them in my charger, but not in here. Obviously, just got the car, haven't had time. But in my charger, I got them right there, in the front up there, and then kind of back here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this one. I'm just gonna freestyle it really, because it is an SUV, so I'm gonna see where I'm gonna put them at. I do got two different kinds. The little square ones with the little drill in there. And then these are the ones I have in the charger. I don't have those. I actually use these for my living room. Kind of have it sounding a little good, the little sweet sound, whatever. So what you're gonna need is duct tape. You see here, some wire cutters if you got them. I just use my damn teeth, it really don't fucking matter. Cause they little ass wires, so I just use my teeth. And a flathead or some pry tools just to get the door out. Cause yeah. So what I'm gonna do, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the rear door. I'm gonna take out the rear door and then you're gonna see what's next. Inside of the door, that's the speaker if you don't know how to open the door. I mean, if you never opened the door before, this is your speaker. So put that in a little safe spot. So let's get to the actual work. That's the easy. It's easier to just to take it out and deal with it like this instead of bending it back over, doing all that. So obviously the speaker wire is only holding about 2. So this is a very simple install or method, or freestyle method as I call it. Cause I've never seen anybody with tweeters on the top of their damn. I never seen nobody with tweeters on the top of their car like that. How I have mine in my charger. But the brother who subscribed to me, I'm gonna put your comment up He posted on my other video on the my V6 mod list on the charger. So I'm gonna put your comment up in the video in the beginning for my requested videos. So you want to get the wire like this, cut them in the middle like that. Use wire strippers if you got them. Use a knife, whatever. So the wire needs to be like that, and that's pretty much it. You might want to. All I gotta do now is test the wire. So right now I'm just gonna test the tweeters. Test that. It's connected to that. And since this is not like aftermarket, it's hard to kind of tell which one's positive, negative. It kind of really don't matter. So on my wires that I have, one is actually silver and one is actually bronze. So I use the silver as a positive and the bronze as a negative. That's how I keep track of it. So once it's connected, all you do now, go turn the radio on, make sure it's running through that, and then you're pretty much done. Well, you're pretty much done with this process, like with the door, taking the door out. All you gotta do now is just route where you want your speakers at, and I'm gonna show you all that too. See if y'all can hear that. It's coming out. This is the radio. I wish I had my damn phone connected to it. And I'm gonna do a video on replacing these speakers, these terrible ass, stock ass speakers, bullshit ass speakers, man. But before I put the door panel back on, I'm just gonna double check the connection one more time, and that's it. I'm just doing it just to be sure. This is what I do. You can do it also. I recommend doing it, but you don't have to. I already checked it, but I'm just double checking it. Stick out like that, but we're gonna hide it, so I'll show you how to do all that. So you pull that out, and you just cross it in there. And just make sure you have enough room to close the door. So you're gonna be able to close the door. And open it all the way wide too, so it don't yank out. The only time you're going to see this wire right here, where my finger at, is when you open the door. When the door is closed, you're never going to see that wire. So it's all of it hidden. So we're finna roll that wire all the way up to the top. try to give y'all a better so we're gonna put a speaker right here, right over that, or at least above it. So it's actually up to you where you want to install it. So you can put it something right here, you can put one right, put it like that, however you want to install it, any little angle. And that's the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified every time I post a video. Make sure y'all hit that like button also.
Traditions and rebels, the real Jews are hidden. They all in the prisons, they cursed in the field and they cursed in the ghettos. Some have faith, they trust and believe. Some